are here at the Brooklyn Bridge. So here in the SoHo, it's a very cute neighborhood and the buildings are very beautiful. Just look at these. Remember I mentioned something free you can do. We are showing you something cool in a minute. Good morning. It's another day here in New York City. Let's just grab this coffee and go outside. Thank you so much. Thank you. So now we are ready for the day. So we got the tip yesterday that if we want to go and see the SoHo just to explore, it is a lot less people in the morning. And the city is more quiet, so it's not the same hustle and bustle. You will get another impression. Down here is Little Italy. A lot of Italian restaurants here. At the moment there is nothing, but the streets are normally full with restaurants. So maybe we can come back here a little bit later and you can see how it actually is. We are heading in up here in this direction to SoHo. So here in the SoHo, it's a very cute neighborhood and the buildings are very beautiful. Just look at these. This place is full of great shopping. It's full of restaurants, small cafes. You sit out in the street. So very, very cozy area. This is a wonderful morning stroll. Stop it. It is good that it's not open at the moment. So now we have showed you a little bit from the SoHo. We are very early. It's just about after 7 o'clock. So the cafes are not open yet. So we will just walk down to the West Broadway here to the Tribeca area. Let's head down. Can I ask you a question? Is there any kind of bike race today?
It is a bike tour.
Bike tour?
Yeah, like 5-hour bike tour, so they'll be around running the bicycles.
Okay.
Yeah, across the Manhattan, Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island.
But none of the streets are closed. They're
like the 6th Avenue is closed, the canal will be closed. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. 7th Avenue will be closed. But there's going to be streets that are closed by the midtown.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's. So there is a bike race. We should kind of check it out. See. So it sounds like that the bike tour is starting down here. There is a lot of things going on. It is a tour that everyone can join. And so can we? We just have to get a bike, and there is a lot of them in the city. So we are walking up here just to check out this bike event. There is a lot of people here. Just check it out. Wow. Oh my God. Oh. So, but you are biking? Is it?
I'm biking.
Yeah, that's your bike back there?
Yeah.
Or, yeah. So will you just wait till everyone passes now and be at the end here?
I'll catch up to them.
Yeah.
They take all day.
Yeah. So what is the name of the five not barrels, but the 5. You said
Boroughs? 5 boroughs?
5 boroughs.
Manhattan,
Yeah.
Brooklyn,
Yeah.
Queens, Bronx,
Yeah.
Staten Island.
Okay.
Like it's like parts of the city. Where are you guys from? Sweden or something?
Norway.
Norway.
Yeah. So how long would you spend time will you use biking around this?
It's only like 35 miles, so you could do
Okay.
it in like under 2 hours.
Yeah.
But it's open till 5 o'clock. Many people will
Okay.
all day.
Wow. It sounds like it's starting.
These people maybe are a little faster in the back. It's all kids and old people.
Yeah.
They'll be going till at least 5 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah. All the bridges are closed. Parks are closed
Nice.
for a bike.
Cool. It looks fun. Maybe we should also get a bike and participate.
Yeah, they make road like unallowed. They might be allowed to go on.
So in Tribeca, they are very famous for the red housing and the red brick wall buildings. You see one of them here, but when we come a little bit further down, you will see what I mean. So now we are here at Tribeca. So you can see what I mentioned from the brick buildings. They're very famous for the brick buildings and the red buildings here in this area. It's very cool. We are heading over. Remember I mentioned something free you can do. We are showing you something cool in a minute. So here in Tribeca you have the New York City's best wine store. It's called Tribeca Wine Merchants. And in here they have on Fridays and Saturdays they have free wine tastings at 5 o'clock from Friday. We were supposed to go here the other day, but unfortunately we were not able to come. But next time we are here we will for sure go. The people owning this place, they are fantastic people, and they really know their good wines. So if you're interested in wine, you should also check out this place to get a good bottle. It's for sure the best wine store in the city. If you're looking for some free things to do in this city, which is an expensive city, this is the top things to do. World Trade Center just in front of us, and to the next left from that you have this beautiful architecture. It's a subway station but also a shopping center inside. So look at this beautiful architecture. So down below here you have the shopping mall, and further down here it's the entrance to the subway. This is the most beautiful subway station in the world. And the name of this beautiful subway station and this building is called Akkulis. It is very pretty. Look at this. It is so pretty. So Maurice, here you have the Wall Street area, and this is the famous Wall Street Bull. So this is this is a very famous photo spot. Everyone is standing in a line to take a picture. So that I will do too. So now we've been here taking some photos and touching the bull. This means good luck, and it will bring you fortune, and you will be rich. So let's see. So now we are at the Wall Street area. That's the lower Manhattan, and now we're walking down the Wall Street. So come and let's have a look. So here on the right side, you have the New York Stock Exchange. Let's keep on walking. You see that the buildings are quite different here from Tribeca. Now we are at the Brooklyn Bridge. I am starting to get hungry, so I think after crossing the bridge, because I want to do that, I think I would like a good hot dog. Would you like to join me for that? So now we are starting to cross the Brooklyn Bridge. We are going from the Manhattan side, and it's, obviously what is the name of the bridge, it ends in Brooklyn. I have a really good, interesting story about my great-grandparents. Yeah, so in their younger days, they moved to Brooklyn from Norway. And I am quite impressed. It is easy to get around today. You can book everything online, you can book your hotel, you know where you're going to stay. But back in the day, they just jumped on a boat in Norway and took it here. Imagine going across the Statue of Liberty, coming to the city here, and going off. You have no idea where you're going to stay or where you're going to end up. I am quite impressed by the adventure that they did. I love to travel myself, so yeah. So we are here at the Brooklyn Bridge. This bridge, it is awesome. It took a decade to build. It was finished in 1883. This is the most iconic places or construction in places to visit in New York. For us, we are here to take some Instagram shots and see this place. The best time to take the Instagram shots is in the morning, and when the sun rises, or in the evening when there is sunset. Even though it's quite early, actually, it's still only 9 o'clock. You see that it starts getting busy, but during the daytime here, this bridge is packed of people, especially on a sunny day. Later today it's gonna rain, so yeah, that's why we are here early, but also to get a nice shot. Här ska vi till. We are now in the middle of the bridge. We will continue walking, so see you later today. I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I think we will just go and have a hot dog. Hello.
Hello.
How much is it for a hot dog?
4.
For a hot dog?
1 4.
4. Okay, so 1 hot dog and 1 Cola Zero. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Coke Zero.
Yes, please. So this is the New York hot dog. Let's have a bite. Very good. It's really good. So one of the things I love to do when I'm in New York is just to walk about, find a local deli and try to find a good sandwich. They always do have that there. So let's go on a deli hunt. Yes, well, I would like the hero sandwich with that roast beef special, please. Yes. So we have the lollipop, crisp apple, and I think the microphone is out of battery.
Yeah.
Let's just get a table here at the end, and we can just have a sandwich. Let's just have a bite. Look at this sandwich. Okay, look at this. I don't know if you can see, but it's smoking hot with the roast beef. Can you see here? So, okay, that's how it tastes. That was good. So, that's a good sandwich. I can recommend to just find a deli, have a sandwich. You will always find something good. So I will finish up this one, and then we will continue our stroll. It is Sunday fun day, so let's do a little hop. So we are here at the San Carlo Osteria Italian restaurant. Are we on? And they are opening in half an hour at 12 o'clock. But they are allowed to serve us some happy juice while we are waiting, and we are hopping. So, cheers! This is very good.
Perfetto.
Gracias. So, this is an Italian beer from Piemonte. It's called Menabrea. So, cheers! Let's have the taste. Okay. Now, salute. Good. We are still at our first place today. So Sunday fun day. See you later.